Hello my loves, how you all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. We are cooking today and it's going to be a lot of cooking. So we are starting by grilling. This is chicken breast. I've gone ahead to marinate this. I'm about to put it in the oven. There are other ones which I'm going to go ahead and start marinating and set them cooking. Stay tuned. If you like videos like this, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share to your friends and loved ones, and please subscribe if you haven't done so. Don't forget to give me your lovely comments and click on the bell notification so you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload new videos. Okay, stay tuned. So guys, this is the second tray. I told you I have a couple of them. So this is the second tray. This is big. This is breast, chicken breast. This is chicken breast, guys. So this is just the second tray. I'm going to add it in. This has some fish. I decided to add it together because it's just a little pieces of fish. I'll show you what I'm going to be doing with this fish. You stay tuned and enjoy this video. So guys, here is our chicken. Okay, it's already marinated. It's waiting to get into the oven. Here is our turkey, guys. We are doing varieties. Like I told you, just go ahead, prep your chicken, prep your whatever protein you're using. Just go ahead, prep it ahead of time. That will help you to be fast in your cooking. Okay guys, stay tuned. So I just brought this one out. I'm trying to flip it to the other side, and then I have this one is coming gradually. This is the one that has the fish. I'll show you what I'll do with all of this. Stay tuned.
The thing, one part of it is why to crawl. Pants got dirty.
Wow, you guys see your girl, oh. See soldier girl, like you guys see this soldier girl, oh. This girl, can you tell them what you went through today? Tell them a little bit.
So hey, good fam, how y'all doing? Hope everyone's good. So today we had a competition. It's called ROTC competition. It's where a group of students from other schools come together to compete to test their physical ability. So we did our best. We did work hard, but we came in fourth place because this is our first time doing it, and this is the first time we're having a ROTC team. So the next one coming up in October, be ready.
Your girl is doing ROTC, guys. So this is their uniform. So I just wanted to show you guys. I know I showed you guys when she was going to school. Was it 2 days ago? It should be in the other video. It should be in the other video where I showed you guys how she was looking on her ROTC uniform.
This is the first one.
This is the second uniform. I mean, it looks so beautiful. I can't wait to see a soldier person in my house, a military woman. I hope this girl will be able to do it because I want her to be a strong girl. Strong girl. This girl is so butterish. She's like butter. This girl is like butter. So I want her to be strong. Like what will I say? You should be strong like what now? Like sugar cane? Or more than sugar cane?
I'm really strong.
All right, good team. I just wanted to play with you guys. See Manuela, so you can see what your girl is doing. And just wish her all the best anywhere you are. And if you love it, please leave me your lovely comments. Stay tuned, okay? We are prepping and cooking. So guys, here is my oil, and I'll start adding my onion. So I can start making my stew base for my jollof rice, because we are making a very delicious jollof rice here. and we have a guest. My husband is in a meeting with the guests, so they are talking, and I just decided to keep quiet at this point so I can do a voice over, because I don't want any voice on the ground of this video. Okay, so we are trying to make this jollof rice stew. I'm about to eat my mouth now, guys, because I want to explain this very well to you guys. But yeah, guys, it's already tasting delicious. Yeah, I'm adding my homemade tomato paste. That's my fresh homemade tomato paste. So yeah, added Maggi, stir it up, and then add some water to it after it has fried nicely. I mean, just fry your tomato until it is nicely fried. Add your water to it, and then stir again. Stir, stir, stir. Allow it to cook. Add your chicken broth, which is what I'm adding at this point. Yeah, you can add your rice. Here I am adding my rice into this jollof stew. Stir it all together. Make sure it is nicely incorporated. One thing about jollof is that you have to stir your rice into it very well, so that you won't have one side white, one side stewed. You can see how beautiful this rice is looking. Add some water if you have to. If you don't have to, that's okay. But at this point, if the water is not enough, if the chicken broth is not enough, add some more water. Stir it up together. Taste it again. See if you need to adjust the taste. See if you need to add some more water again. Yeah, with jollof rice, you have to be very careful, so that you can get the right consistency and your rice will not be soggy, so that you can achieve the good part of it. Here you can see our rice is ready, and trust me, guys, this jollof rice was just awesome. Sometimes you cook jollof rice, you think this one is the best. You cook another one, you say, oh my god, this one is like the best. You cook another one, you say, oh god, this one is the best. Jollof rice it's just a special rice. I don't know. We can't eat enough of jollof rice like in this house. Most of the time my friends will call me and say, look, we want jollof rice. We want a tray of jollof rice. That is all of this cooking you guys are seeing. Sometimes my friends will just call me and say, we need jollof rice. Please make us jollof rice. Because sometimes some people don't have time to cook. So, and some of them trust my cooking so much that they always want me to do one thing for them. And I love to cook. Yeah, if you have not known that, I'm letting you know today. I love to cook. So I'm garnishing it with some carrots and onion. I added my butter. Now I opened it up. I'm going to stir it up together. It looks so beautiful, and it tastes fantabulous, guys. This jollof rice tastes so amazing. It tastes so good that honestly, you just cannot eat enough. And look at that bun part. I love it. I'm adding it to a plate where I'm going to be eating from. Yes, I love that smoky part of the jollof rice. Like after cooking jollof rice, I go to the bottom part and I scratch it out and keep it for myself. Yes, honestly, I couldn't just, stop eating. I was just eating on the fire and eating and eating and eating because of how delicious the rice was. It was just too sweet, honestly. I love party jollof a lot. Do you love party jollof rice like me? And guys, do you know sometimes when I finish cooking all this food, I don't even feel like eating it immediately, because I have, the aroma alone the aroma is so filling. It's so filling. Look at how delicious this rice is looking. Look at it. It's not mushy. It's fluffy. It's creamy. I don't know if you understand what I mean. But yeah, for me, I like my jollof rice, you know, in between, not overcooked, but well cooked and standing out, looking creamy, looking fluffy. That is how I love to enjoy my jollof rice. And yeah, somebody's here and the person wants a taste. And that's what I'm doing, trying to put some jollof rice for somebody to eat before we start dishing and getting all the chicken ready in their trays, send it to our friend who have requested that they want some jollof rice. And yeah, it was so delicious, guys, trust me. And yeah, this is the bottom part, guys. I'm going to scratch all of this into my bowl, get it ready for myself, because yes, this is my cake, guys. I didn't remember to tell you guys I did cake. Delicious cake. So guys, we did some cake because we are sending this cake out. It was just too delicious. We did banana cakes, we did the one that has fruits, we did the one that has with carrots, we did pineapple cake. Yeah, this is pineapple. We did lemon cake. It was just varieties and it was so delicious. This is the carrot cake. Carrot cake. It came out so delicious, guys.